Hello everybody, welcome to Diecast YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you Tomica limited vintage Daihatsu Delta wide wagon. As you can see here. Sorry, this is not my usual place. I came to the living room. You can see my Garfield tea mug, mug. Yep. All right. So let's talk about this beautiful casting. All right, so this is Tomica limited vintage Neo Daihatsu Delta wide wagon. So they put this Neo badge because this is sort of what do you call, after 70s car. I don't know if it's all they put just Tomica limited vintage, but they put Neo badge to their more new cars, new models, more like 80s and 90s models. That's what I understood by comparing stuff and read things from the internet. So I bought this one from Japan Booster little while ago. So if you order something from Japan Booster, it comes with this plastic packaging. And Tomica, as you all know, Tomica limited vintage is about scale, not like Hot Wheels or Matchbox cars. This is true 1:64 scale. If you carefully checked, you can see the 1:64 scale on this packaging as well. So first of all, let's remove the plastic packaging, leave it aside, and it comes to the normal cardboard box. So this one is like orange color, or not the orange, mud orange, let's say mud orange, and LVN97B. So this is the second release of this model. So like if they if they do color variations or release it as several batches, they put A, B, or C or D in here. So this is the second release, I guess. And this side you have all these Daihatsu model wagon and the color as well, beige color. Yeah, it says this is the best model in the world. All right, let's open. So again, if you guys are not familiar with Tomica limited vintage, they don't release stuff like Hot Wheels or Matchbox. They release a monthly batch. Every month they release a batch, and you can pre-order stuff from third-party sellers or buy from eBay. I usually go with Japan Booster or some other Japanese online web stores to buy stuff. But if you buy it from Japan Booster, you get if you spend more than $50, you get free postage. That's an additional bonus, I guess. All right, enough talking. All right, let's check this model. So this is, you can see, shiny beige color, not beige or mud orange, muddy color. Check those details. I hope you can clearly see the details. Check the front grille and the front lights. Daihatsu badge in front. Very cool. All the little details. Check this out. Handles, air vents, Delta wide. If you can see, it says Delta wide over here. Oh, nice tail lights, everything is there. And you can see, if you guys can remember, I can remember these models when I was a kid back in Sri Lanka. So they had these high roof models everywhere. And check these, check the wheels. All right, that's the best part, I guess. Check the wheels. They are totally similar to the original wheel. There you go. Yes, this is tiny because this is exactly 1:64 scale, not like Hot Wheels or Matchbox. These guys are very strict to the scale, very strict to the realism, very strict with details. So that's why these ones are costly than other models, maybe more costly than Tarmac Works or Kyosho or similar models, you know. But check this out, check the details inside. I don't know whether you can see. Check the steering wheel and brown color interior inside. Wow, very beautiful, you know, very beautiful. And if you clearly see, if you closely check, there's the rear wiper as well. Wow. All right, I'll keep this here and bring my, there you go. I don't have a turning table or anything, but just check the model. It's very beautiful one, and it's rolling, the most important thing. It rolls pretty well, you know, not like Tarmac Works or Kyosho. They don't, you know, they are not that focusing on the rolling function, because they are making what do you call, display models. But these ones are more realistic than those ones, and it's pretty much rolling. Sorry, man. And yeah, let's talk about these Daihatsu models. All right, the Daihatsu Delta, it's an, you know, as you all know, it's an automotive nameplate that has been used only on variety of Japanese Daihatsu trucks, vans, no cars, between 1970s and 2010. They have usually been Toyota based or otherwise based on models from Toyota owned companies such as Hino Motors, and Daihatsu released a cargo van, this one, and passenger wagons, you know, passenger wagons model named Delta White Wagon or van in 1976 November. So this one is manufactured by Daihatsu in 1976, and you know, and in 1978 they have rebadged this model as everyone's favorite Toyota Town S. So this is the similar Town S back in those days, and from 70s and to nowadays they have made several Town S models. But you know, this is the first ever Daihatsu Delta wagon. How cool is this one? I love Japanese cars. I collect Japanese cars. I don't collect American muscle cars or European cars that much, but my main focus is JDM models, because once I can remember my father said, if you're gonna buy a car someday, just buy a Japanese car, it will last forever. That's true, I believe. So enough nonsense. So this is the Tomica Limited Vintage Daihatsu Delta White Wagon. Here's the box. So if you guys interested on this stuff, you can visit Japan Booster website or other websites to buy online. I'll leave some links down below. And if you guys like my videos, please hit like button, like thumbs up mark, or subscribe button below. And if you guys want to see more photos of this model, please visit my Instagram page, Diecast Beast. And yep, that's it from the center. I'll meet you guys with another video soon. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Yep, keep in touch. Bye.